Hi, welcome to Graphic Island tutorial. In this video, we'll create a typography logo using Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Let's zoom the page from here. Now go to Insert, Text Box, and from here choose Draw Text Box. Drag it and create a text box like this. Here write the first initial S. Do right click over this and format the text box. Remove the outline and the fill color of the text box from here. And now go to Home. Change the font to ethnocentric. And from here increase the font size. Let's make it little bigger in size. Now drag it using Ctrl and Shift key and make a duplicate. Edit the text and here write G. Again drag it using Shift and Ctrl key and make a duplicate. Here write T. Select the text and take it towards left hand side using left arrow key on your keyboard, and let's change the color to red. Similarly select this and take it towards left hand side using left arrow key. Here put a little gap in between G and T. Let's zoom the page little from here. Do right click over this S and take it to the front. Now go to Insert, Shape and take the Curve tool and draw a shape here using Ctrl and Shift key. And close the shape. Do right click over the shape and format it. Remove the outline color. Now do right click over the shape and edit points. Select the point and drag it and create a curve like this by following the outline of the G. Go to Insert, Shape and select the Curve tool once again, and here draw another shape using the Ctrl key. Close the shape. Do right click and format it. Remove the outline color. You can change the color of the shape as well. Now do right click again over the shape and edit it. Select the point, drag the shape handle and create curve by following the outline of the S shape. Select this point and drag the handle and create a curve here as well. So here we can see some gap is remain. Let's add extra point here. Right click and add points, and again fix the curve and the point here. Now select the shape, do right click and format it. Here change the color to white. Now select the text G and let's change the color from here. Let's take little dark in color. Similarly select S and change the color. Now select the text T and change the color to red. Select this one, format it and change the color to red. Now take curve tool once again and here draw another shape using Ctrl key. Close the shape. Do right click and format it. Remove the outline color. Do right click over the shape and edit the points. Select the point, drag the handle and create curve like this. Now do right click over the shape, format it, and change the color to white. Now take rectangular tool and here draw a rectangle. Do right click and format the shape. Remove the outline color and change the fill color to white. Now do right click over the rectangular shape once again and edit points. Drag the point towards down and cover the shape like this. Now take curve tool once again and using control key here draw a shape. Close the shape. Do right click and format it. Remove the outline color and change the fill color. Now select the shape, do right click and edit points. Now manipulate the points and fix the shape. And we are done. So this is the final result. Hope you understand how to create typography logo using Microsoft Word. And here I am Abul Mansoor. Wish you all the best. See you in next video. Have a nice day.